Hi, it's Charles Elwood again. Follow me on LinkedIn for updates and you'll get notifications for my latest videos. But I'm also posting all my videos on YouTube now, so if you want to go back and watch some of the older ones, you can. So the reason I'm creating all these videos is to document my journey of creating the startup of solismatica.com. And I'm making a lot of mistakes. Hopefully I make the mistakes and then I share with you why I made the mistakes, and I tell you about my journey and how I got to make certain decisions. That way you don't have to make the same mistakes I did. So right now I want to record a little bit about LinkedIn Learning. When I used it, it was called Lynda, and it was a great tool for learning new skills and learning new tools and applications. When I started this journey about a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago, I was really just looking at new and interesting things and technologies. Cast the net kind of wide. I wanted to look at artificial intelligence, blockchain, and data science. Those were the three areas I was kind of researching, and I was buying books, and I was watching YouTube videos. But YouTube videos were really hard because the quality was varied all across the board, and it didn't really go in depth into some of the topics. Books were there, but sometimes they were kind of long and long-winded. I wanted to have access to all kinds of learning. So I looked into LinkedIn Learning and Lynda at the time. And you can see here I just did a search on artificial intelligence, and there's all kinds of videos on artificial intelligence. So went crazy and I watched all kinds of videos on artificial intelligence, data science, and blockchain. And if you looked on my LinkedIn profile under licenses and certifications, some of these classes I never finished. I started and decided it's not for me. But if you want to know which ones, kind of caught my attention and kept my attention through the end of that lesson, you can go to my LinkedIn profile and kind of see all the different classes that I took from start to finish. The next part I want to talk about in my journey was I had blockchain. I didn't really see how it fit into the stuff I was doing and how I could build a viable business model with it. It seemed like it was way too early in development, and everybody thought of it as Bitcoin, but it wasn't. And then there was artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then I kind of went into data science and I started learning about the tools like Tableau and ClickSense and Power BI, and then from there I just picked Power BI and moved forward with it. But I also wanted validation that going into data science and business intelligence was kind of the right direction. It was newer, so I was just looking for hints. One of the best hints that I was going in the direction was IEEE Spectrum did an article about the 10 fastest growing occupations, and you can see here 2018 to 19 growth, data engineer, senior data scientists were right up there. And then, I've recently pivoted into digital marketing, and CRM developer is up here too. So I was tapping into some of the fastest growing areas for jobs. In terms of top tech skills, you see SQL here. I've done some project management. And then what's also interesting is, the 10 fastest growing tech skills. You see here data science, Tableau, Salesforce, Microsoft Azure is up here. So these were all little hints, especially in this article, that proves, to me that this was the right direction.